Ever since the beginning of time, man has looked at herbs and plants to cure ailments. Aloe vera is important in the plant kingdom for its uniqueness in natural skin care. In this video, I will show you how to get the gel from inside the aloe vera leaf to moisturize your skin. The gel is beneficial for sunburns, cuts, dry skin, eczema, and psoriasis. This is my aloe vera plant. With a sharp knife, I go and I cut the plant at the root, just like this. Then I take the leaf and I wash it abundantly in cold water. At this point, I will take a knife and I will cut the borders. As you can see, inside you will see a pulp that is clear and it's like a gelatin type. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to cut this other side. Now at this point I'm going to cut them into pieces. And I will begin to remove the skin. So I take the leaf, I turn it upside down, and I begin to remove the bottom side, and I remove the outer skin. So now I am left with the gel that is inside the aloe vera leaf. What I do is I take this and I rub it on my skin.